Welcome to our lesson on heat and temperature. You might think these two terms are interchangeable, but they have distinct meanings in the world of physics. Let's explore the difference. Heat is the transfer of thermal energy from one body to another. Imagine holding a hot cup of coffee on a cold day. As you feel the warmth spreading through your hands, you are experiencing heat transfer. Temperature, on the other hand, is a measure of average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. It's like a gauge that tells us how hot or cold something is. Let's highlight four key differences between heat and temperature. So, the first one is about definition. Basically, heat is a transfer of thermal energy from one body to another. It's the flow of energy that occurs when there is a temperature difference between two objects. On the other hand, temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. It tells us how hot or cold something is. The second difference is about unit. Heat is measured in joules, which is a unit of energy. This makes sense since heat is a form of energy transfer. Temperature, however, is measured in degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. These units give us a way to quantify the thermal state of a substance. So, next difference is about direction. Heat always flows from areas of high temperature to areas of low temperature. This is why heat transfer occurs spontaneously from a hotter object to a cooler one. Temperature, on the other hand, simply measures the thermal state of a substance. It doesn't have a direction of flow. So the next difference is about dependence. Heat transfer depends on the mass and specific heat capacity of a substance. This means that the amount of heat transferred between two objects depends on their masses and how easily they can absorb or release heat. Temperature, however, is independent of mass and specific heat capacity. It's a measure of the average kinetic energy of particles regardless of the substance properties. In conclusion, understanding the difference between heat and temperature is crucial for grasping various phenomena in physics. By recognizing the distinct meanings of these terms, we can better appreciate the world around us. Thank you.